And it is mentioned that Shureh, Umar bin Abdul Aziz, Taus, Atta and Ibn Udayna have declared it legal that a patient may own a debt. And Imam Hassan Basri says, a man should be considered the truest when it is his last day in the world and the first day in the hereafter. And Ibrahim Nakhai and Hakam bin Utayba say, when an hire absolves someone of debt, he will be considered to be absolved. And Hazrat Rafi bin Khadij made a will that the door of his wife Fazariya must not be opened. And Imam Hassan Basri said, if a master on her deathbed says to his slave, I have set you free, it will stand valid. And Shabi said, if a woman on his deathbed says, my husband has paid off my jointure and I have taken it, it will stand valid. Imam Bukhari says, and some people, Imam Abu Hanifa, say his admission will not be valid because it will cause suspicions among the heirs. Then appreciating it, he also says if any patient make a deal regarding trust, bidat, amount may be given to someone and he says, I will keep its profit, and mudarabat, it will stand valid. And the Prophet ﷺ said, avoid suspicions because suspicion is the falsest thing and the property of a Muslim is not lawful to be graved. As the Prophet ﷺ said, it is the sign of hypocrite that when he is trusted, he will commit a betrayal of trust. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, undoubtedly, Allah commands you to pay back the trust to their owners. Surah Nisa verse 58. There is no specification of an higher and the other in this command. Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr radiyallahu anhu has reported from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam about it. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there are three signs of a hypocrite. Whenever he speaks lies, whenever he is trusted, he betrays his trust, and whenever he makes a promise, he reneges on it. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2749.